The new semester has begun, bringing a fresh set of courses and expectations, and many students are already feeling the pressure of upcoming exams, with unfamiliar material and increasing workloads. If you are curious how to cheat on Honorlock, you are watching right video. Despite such kind of pressure and study load, there is a solution to ace your exam. Just watch this video till end, because I've got something truly exciting to share with you. A proven method to cheat on the Honorlock solution for all the latest tips and tricks on proctored exams. Before going into the details of how to cheat on Honorlock, we must know that what it is and how it works. Honorlock combines AI with live human proctors. Honorlock uses artificial intelligence, AI, to monitor your test, which means that you aren't constantly being watched. If the AI detects unusual activity, such as another person in the room, it automatically generates a flag and alerts a live virtual proctor. Depending on the type of flag, a live proctor may end your exam. So the question here is, can we bypass the Honorlock?
The answer is yes. Now you might be wondering, how on earth is that possible to cheat on Honorlock?
This method involves the deployment of a custom software crafted by the expert themselves. This ingenious software allows them to slip through the Honorlock defenses. It's a technical miracle, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. In this eye-opening video, we've got proof of the Honorlock being bypassed as technical expert remotely control the device. Now you might be wondering about the safety of using the technical expert method to cheat on the Honorlock. The answer may surprise you. Yes, it's safe. Once that custom software does its magic and bypasses the Honorlock, it operates like a ghost in the machine. This means it leaves no trace behind in the activity monitor or task manager. In essence, it's the ultimate stealth mode. So when it comes to foolproof cheating on the Honorlock, the technical expert method is the way to go, as all other methods simply won't cut it. If you're looking for assistance with bypassing the Honorlock and want to connect with our team of technical experts, you'll find the link conveniently placed in the video description below. Click that link to access the help you need. Thanks for watching this video.